Hello, this is Miss Allison, and today we are going to discuss the connections of similarities and differences between animals who live on land and animals who live in the water. Now, one of the things we learned yesterday was that animals need to breathe in order to live and survive. We need to breathe oxygen. So, what is a difference that you notice between the shark and the cute bunny? Well, if you see, the shark has gills. It helps the shark breathe while being in the water. And if you see the bunny, has a cute nose and mouth, and that's how the bunny breathes. And as you can see, the shark lives in the water while the bunny lives on land. Now, we know that breathing oxygen is a necessity for animals to help live and survive. But let's also discuss another necessity that they need. So, in order to live and survive, animals also have to eat food. But let's discuss that there's two different types of eaters. So first, what do we see the lion eating? Do you see it eating plants? Do you see it eating meat? What about the shark? What about the manatee? And what about the zebra? Well, I see the lion eating meat, and I see a shark about to eat, it looks like a fish, maybe a seal. However, the manatee is not eating meat, and the zebra isn't either. So, what would we call these two eaters? Well, let's discuss this. Alright, so now that we noticed that the lion and the shark is only eating other animals, which is also a source for meat for their diet, and for them to survive and live, these animals are called carnivores. In other words, they are known as meat eaters because their diet consists of eating other animals in order to help them survive and live. Alright, so now we're focusing on the manatee and the zebra. And we notice that both are eating vegetation. Now, these animals are going to be classified as herbivores, which are known as plant eaters, because they rely on feeding on vegetation in order to help them survive and live. Alright, so let's discuss an analogy here. So, a cat and a fish are both household pets, right? Well, a cat breathes out their nose and mouth while the fish breathes out its gills. A cat can eat tuna, and a fish will eat something different. And as you can see, the cat doesn't live in the water, but the fish does. So, two different environments, but both need to breathe oxygen and to eat food. Both have different diets, both have different ways of living, but both have the same necessities in order to live and survive. Alright, and that concludes the video of this lesson. So to be continued. Thank you very much.